Pwede po sila mag-charge up to 20% a week. Wala po pala tayong batas para dyan. Oh my God. So mas grabe pa sa mafia ito. So kung meron po kayong lending app na application, na grant nyo po yan, pwede po sila mag-charge up to 20% a week. Wala po pala tayong batas para dyan.
Unfortunately, Your Honor, yes po.
Oh my God. So mas grabe pa sa mafia ito.
Loan transactions are actually covered by the civil law. So basically, kung ano po yung pinag-usapan, pinagkasunduhan sa kontrata between the lender and the borrower, yun po yung nasusunod.
Unfortunately, ang problema dyan, marami sa ating mga kababayan, lalo na yung mga minimum wage earners, hindi po nila naintindihan yung fine print ng kontrata. These online learning applications, parang bangko yan eh. Tapos pag hindi ka pa makabayad, papahiyain ka. Pwede ba gawin yun? Napapahiyain yung tao? Kasi as part of your loan agreement with the lending app, magbibigay ka ng 10 hanggang 20 tao, pati cellphone nila. Bigla na lang magte-text kasi may staff ako, ganun. Hindi niya alam, binigay pala ng kaibigan niya yung pangalan at number niya. Araw-araw, tinetext siya. Sabihin mo sa kaibigan mo, nakakahiya siya, magnanakaw, hindi nagbabayad ng utang. Ganun, it's a shame campaign. Wala bang nagre-report sa SEC nito?
We have received complaints on that, Mr. Chair. As for interest rates, currently the SEC is studying on the imposition of interest rate ceiling.
What you're trying to tell me as regulator, wala na po tayong magawa. Parang sa pangurakot, takbo na lang natin yung ballpen, drop the mic, and magnakaw na lang tayong lahat. Wala na tayong magagawa.
Mr. Chair, we're currently studying it also.
Every time you study it, there's a person hanging himself on the because of these abusive online lending apps. Yung mga legal, okay. Pwede nyo naman ma-monitor yung legal. Pero sila na mismo lumapit sa akin yung legal at humingi ng tulong dahil hindi daw ninyo kayang i-regulate yung ibang fly-by-night na operators na nag-apply sa inyo. Maybe you should do a review, an audit dito sa mga kumpanyang ito na binigyan nyo ng permit. Ang nangyayari po, parang loan shark ang dating eh. Yung tipo, kung hindi ka magbabayad, bubugbugin ka pag makita ka namin. Diba? Parang ganun ang dating eh. I would suggest that let's give it to the BSP. Medyo mahirapan nga yung SEC para mag-clean up ng corporations with illicit trade eh. So maybe what we should do is let SEC concentrate on corporations and let's give the lending regulator to the BSP kasi sila talagang expert tsaka mabilis gumalaw ang BSP.